Wood. One of nature's finest works of art. This proud, strong, living organism has always been a fundamental necessity in our lives.
Wood is the foundation of the homes of our families, and we are dependent on its unique qualities.
But we need to innovate and think differently. We have to harness the full capabilities and strength that nature has provided us with.
What if we could take wood, combine it with silicate, and make the wood last longer?
We can. With the right formula and mixture, we can make wood even stronger and improve its potential and longevity, and hereby put strength back into nature.
For more than 10 years, we have researched, studied and tested a new way of modifying wood to significantly expand its lifetime potential and minimize the environmental footprint. This has resulted in a groundbreaking product that we call sature, strength of nature.
Built on a traditional preservation technology, we use sand to make a silicate with the power to protect wood against decomposition, and at the same time, empowering its sustainable and environmental strength and potential. Once sature-treated wood has served its long-lasting purpose, it can be upcycled and reused or disposed of as normal waste wood, without being classified as hazardous waste.
Rooted in Denmark, one of the world's most innovative countries with regard to environmental sustainability, we are steeled on keeping what we promise. For the sake of nature and people. Sature, strength of nature.